I've built an independent performance model covering most of the US wind fleet. I sell project-level forensic reports. If you'd like a sample of my work, go to the pinned comment below. You'll find a link to GitHub, where you'll be able to freely and anonymously download samples of my reports and financial models. I get my energy information from the Energy Information Agency, the EIA. Specifically, the form is called the EIA-923. That's the schedule EIA-923. In the pinned comment below, I have a link to the EIA-923 schedules, so you can go and have a look at where I get my energy data. The data goes back over 20 years, and the data is actually on every utility scale power plant connected to the grid over 1 megawatt capacity in the country. Operational assessments are typically and best performed with SCADA. The granularity of SCADA data can't be beat because we're talking about 10-minute data. So there's a habit in the wind industry of kind of poo-poohing the EIA 923 data. I'm going to push back on that a little bit. First of all, we're talking about regulatory data that has tax and income connotations. The data also captures all of the losses. Now keep in mind, when you see a traditional operational energy production report, the main conceit is that when you use operational data, all of your losses are baked in. Well, with the EIA 923, all of the losses are baked in. I thought my initial model using EIA 923 data would actually be interesting, but I didn't expect to have R-squared values right out of the gate pushing 90%. Thanks for watching. If you want to look at the performance data for a specific asset in your portfolio, or have questions about the fleet-wide model, my DMs are open. Feel free to leave a question in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next analysis.